Ever wondered how a massive 18,000-ton steel giant can vanish without a trace in the deep ocean? Today, we're diving into the shining world of submarine stealth, exploring the incredible technology that makes these underwater predators the ultimate invisible power of modern naval warfare. For decades, the silent rise of submarines beneath the waves has been a critical element of warfare. The submarine can't be fighting from the field. This simple truth drives a relentless, high-stakes technological race. A nation with a truly stealthy submarine fleet holds a powerful capability to gather intelligence, projecting combined deterrent measures, all from the unseen depths. This isn't just about military advantage, it's about shaping international relations from a position of human strength. When the submarine disappears from the view, it creates a ripple of uncertainty that can influence entire geopolitical strategies. So, how do they do it? The number one enemy of a submarine is sound. Water is an excellent conductor of sound, and every heartbeat word to a clip from a sub's machinery can be a death sentence. This is where acoustic stealth comes in. The most iconic feature you might have noticed on modern submarines is their rubbery-looking skin. These are anechoic tiles. Think of them as acoustic camouflage. They're designed to do two things: absorb incoming sonar waves from enemy ships, preventing the rear engine from returning, and dampen the noise generated by the submarine itself. It's like wrapping the sub in a soundproof blanket, but the tiles are just the beginning. The biggest noise barrier on a submarine is its propulsion system, the churning of a pump. Engineers have developed revolutionary ways to handle this thing. One method is the project blades. Instead of a broken propeller, the blades are balanced and specially designed. This not only makes the sub more efficient, but also significantly muffles the noise, making it much harder to detect. It changes the sub's acoustic signature from a distinct chop-chop to a much quieter, harder to identify whoosh of water. Then there's the realm of science fiction turned reality. Magnetohydrodynamic drives, or MHD. This concept, made famous by the movie The Hunt for Red October, uses powerful magnets and electric currents to move seawater through a tube, propelling the submarine forward with virtually no moving parts. Imagine a silent, caterpillar-like drive system pushing a colossal machine through the ocean, while still largely experimental and facing huge power challenges. The potential for a truly silent propulsion system is a holy grail for naval engineers. And what about the noise that simply can't be eliminated? That's where active noise cancellation comes into play. It's like the high-tech noise-cancelling headphones you might own, but for a whole submarine. Microphones placed on the hull listen for the sub's own noise. A computer then instantly generates an opposing sound wave and anti-noise, which is broadcast through speakers. When these two sound waves meet, they cancel each other out, creating a bubble of silence around the submarine. It's a breathtakingly complex process of fighting sound with sound. But stealth isn't just about being quiet. A submarine can be detected in many other ways, which is why multispectral concealment is so crucial. Every large metal object moving through the Earth's magnetic field creates a detectable disturbance. This is the submarine's magnetic signature. To counter this, submarines are equipped with degaussing systems. These are a series of electrical cables running through the hull that generate an opposing magnetic field, effectively neutralizing the sub's own magnetic anomaly and making it invisible to magnetic anomaly detectors, or MAD, often used by patrol aircraft. Then there's heat. A nuclear reactor and powerful machinery generate a massive amount of heat, which must be dissipated into the surrounding seawater. This can create a thermal scar on the ocean surface, a warm water trail that can be seen by infrared sensors. To combat this, subs use advanced cooling systems that mix the hot discharge water with cold ambient seawater before releasing it, spreading it over a large area to minimize the temperature difference and erase its thermal signature. Even the physical presence of the submarine moving through the water creates clues. It creates a pressure field and leaves a wake knot on the surface, but a turbulent trail underwater that can linger for hours. Future detection systems might be able to spot these subtle disturbances. So, hull shapes are meticulously designed in supercomputers to be as hydrodynamic as possible, minimizing this wake and making the sub slip through the water like a fish, not a bulldozer. Now, all this incredible technology is useless without the right people. The human element is the final, indispensable layer of stealth. Inside every stealth submarine is a team of elite sonar operators. These aren't just technicians, they are artists of the acoustic world. With years of training, they can distinguish the sound of a shrimp colony from a distant torpedo, the song of a whale from the hum of an enemy propeller. They are the eyes and ears of the boat, and their skill is often the difference between staying hidden and being found. This dedication is part of a deeply ingrained culture known as the silent service. From the moment they step on board, every crew member is trained to minimize noise. Dropping a wrench isn't just a mistake, it's a sound that could travel for miles and betray their position. This disciplined, silent professionalism is the heartbeat of a stealth submarine. Looking forward, what's next for this invisible arms race? The future is leaning towards autonomy. Unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs, are getting smaller, smarter, and stealthier. They can perform dangerous missions without risking human lives, staying on station for months at a time. The ultimate goal is an autonomous stealth fleet, networked together, sharing data in real time. But as stealth technology advances, so does detection. Scientists are exploring quantum detection methods, which could theoretically use the strange properties of quantum physics to detect a submarine's mass without relying on sound, heat, or magnetism at all. It's a race between the shield and the sword. Will we see theoretical technologies like plasma shields that could render a sub invisible to all forms of sonar? Or will hypersonic underwater vehicles, traveling at incredible speeds, change the game entirely? The ocean's depths will continue to be the stage for this silent high-stakes competition. The quest for the perfect stealth submariner, true ghost in the machine, is far from over. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a constant push at the very limits of physics and engineering. The invisible power lurking beneath the waves will continue to shape our world in ways we may never see, but will certainly feel. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into submarine stealth. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the world's most incredible technologies. See you next time.